Looking for a thorough and powerful clean? We researched over a dozen of the best drill bush options available today, before choosing 7 to test side by side. We found the dirtiest crevices and cracks to clean, buffing out the kitchen, bathroom, and garage surfaces. We even took each tool to the dirtiest of outdoor gear, cleaning bike spokes and parts. There are many products available to choose Razor Scooter, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Razor Scooter from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Holoton 4-Pack Power Scrubber Brush. We tested the Holoton 4-Pack Power Scrubber Brush, and found it to be functional and simple. It features medium texture bristles in yellow color, and has a total of 4 parts. It has 3 brushes and 1 extension quick change adapter. It is robust, sturdy, and tuned for your bathroom cleaning needs. While we found the Holoton to be a functional set, it simply doesn't have the variety we prefer in the number of brush heads. The brushes also come in 1 texture, which limits their versatility. While you can easily use it on a kitchen surface, as well as in the bathroom, you might want to color code your brushes to avoid cross-contamination. If you're seeking a pared-down cleaning set for the bathroom, this simple option is a decent choice. Our testing included using each set in its intended application. Actual real-world testing is the best way to see if a product lives up to its intended uses. To do this, we ordered each product at full cost and used each to clean a variety of surfaces, from bathroom surfaces to kitchen sinks to outdoor equipment. We measured and counted each set's components, and researched the entire field to make deductions and observations that complement our in-use findings. Number 2. Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit. The tested blue version of the Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit is optimized and pitched for use on your water sports equipment. The texture is medium in stiffness, which works well on plastic and fiberglass. The blue color is intuitively associated with water and water sports. The brush texture itself is indiscernible from the medium stiffness of other colors from other manufacturers. We couldn't discern a difference, and manufacturers do not claim a difference between medium stiffness brushes of different colors. Colors are differentiated to avoid potential cross-contamination from one use to the next. This is the smallest set of brushes we tested. There are just 3 different shapes, and the Drill Brush 360 set does not include an extension quick change function. Other sets and manufacturers include a standard long 1/4 inch drive bit extender. The overall function suffers just a little for this simplicity, but we could reach pretty much all the surfaces we wanted to clean. As a result, it's a favorite for water sports equipment, as you can get into any crevice in that context easily enough. Number 3. Holoton 22-piece Drill Brush Attachment Set. The Holoton 22-piece Drill Brush Attachment Set is relatively comprehensive at a reasonable price. They include 4 of 6 possible colors, 3 of 4 possible brush textures, and all 4 different shapes that we know of. Further, this set includes a reasonably comprehensive set of abrasive scrubbing pads. All these options should cover your various scrubbing and brushing needs. The Holoton 22-piece set is pretty expensive, and doesn't include the stiffest brush texture in any shape. As a result, we had a hard time scrubbing out some of the toughest stuff that you might see on the surface. If you're simply seeking various abrasive pads, this set may work. The stiffest brush texture is more useful than you might think. In all our testing, we tried all the different stiffnesses on a variety of surfaces. Despite what you might think, drill brushes aren't particularly damaging. Even when using stiff brushes on more delicate surfaces, we observed no damage. What we did notice, though, is that stiffer brushes do their work faster and with less pushing input from the cleaner. Number 4. Drill Brush 4-Piece Nylon Power Brush Tile Cleaner. The Drill Brush 4-Piece Nylon Power Brush Tile Cleaner Kit is just like it sounds. 4 different shaped brushes attached to your power drill for cleaning surfaces in your bathroom. The brushes in this kit have bristles of medium stiffness. This texture is tuned for various surfaces, including those in your kitchen, bathroom, and on many water sports equipment. Drill-mounted brush manufacturers have decided, unanimously, as best we can tell, on a color convention to differentiate medium bristled brushes. Basically, they each make medium stiffness brushes in the same 3 different colors. The different colors allow you to have multiple medium stiffness brushes for different tasks without risking cross-contamination. Yellow is pitched as suitable for bathroom tasks. Yellow isn't fundamentally different from the other medium stiffness colors. Our small, informal market survey found that most users will first try a drill brush for cleaning their bathrooms. Therefore, yellow is often the first choice. If you desire more versatility from your drill brushes, you'll find this kit is underwhelming. Larger, more expensive sets have a wider variety of textures and shapes. Though, if you're simply seeking a set that'll do the best for bathroom surfaces without getting your hands as tired or dirty as typical scrubbing, this is the one to take a gander at. Number 5. Heuer 4-Piece Drill Brush. The Heuer 4-Piece Drill Brush is good for even more than the model name suggests. Many, of course, will purchase it for automotive use. However, the brush textures are also suitable for carpets and upholstery inside your house. These white brushes are the softest available on the market. The 3 different shapes give you enough options to reach whatever corners you need to reach. We had great luck scrubbing stains from the carpet and buffing shinier surfaces with no damage to either. The Hoa 4-piece is not the most versatile option we tested. Other colors are stiffer and, therefore, more suitable for challenging tasks on robust surfaces. If you want a drill brush set for all-around home and shop use, go with a bigger and more versatile kit. For extensive scrubbing of sensitive and more delicate materials, the Hoa Car Kit is our top recommendation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.